Hi guys, I'm Caitlin Lewis, the Content Marketing Manager here at Archibald Lewis Insurance, and today I'm back with another interesting Did You Know fact that you've probably never heard before. Did you know loud noises are bad for your health? Screeching car alarms, shrieking trains, and rumbling planes may all be very annoying, but they are also bad for you. According to a new study out of Germany's Mainz University Medical Center, an increasing amount of noise can actually throw your heart out of rhythm, which can lead to blood clots, stroke, and even heart failure. Go comment your Did You Know facts to be featured in an upcoming video.